Today's video is about using your Victorinox around the home. To be clear, I am not saying that Victorinox is the only tool or can replace dedicated tools like full-size screwdrivers for some jobs. Because you may carry it with you most of the time, you can use it for less heavy-duty jobs and save you a trip to the toolbox or garage. I frequently encounter blister packages with staples. You can yank the staples off or you can put in a little finesse as shown here. Of course, you can use a stapler remover if you have one. Sometimes though, for some strange reason, when you need it, you cannot find it. Fortunately, you have your Victorinox with you. Don't you? You do not have to use the same tool here. You can choose whichever Victorinox tool suits you. Next, removing gravel from car tire. A 3-in-1 application. Another useful application is when you come across batteries that butt tightly against the positive end. If you have fingernails like mine, you may have a hard time removing the batteries. Victorinox to the rescue. If you have an electric fan similar to the one shown here, you may need to remove the fan cage for regular cleaning. Sometimes, you may find that trying to remove the fan cage can be a challenge. As the saying goes, there is a better way. First turn the fan around. You will see a latch at the bottom, a catch on the right, a catch on the left, and a hook at the top. Open the locking latch. Place the tip of the screwdriver in between the plastic shroud and the perimeter of the cage. Gently lift the shroud away from the cage. Do the same to both the right and left catches to separate the front cage. The front cage is now fully released, and you can lift off the front cage. Here's a close-up view of all the various catches. The unlatching of the catches was done with the fine screwdriver. You can do the same with other similar tools. Now let's put back the front cage. Having the Victorinox with you can be very handy when you need it. It saves you a trip to your toolbox or garage. Well, I hope you have fun watching this video and remember to keep your Victorinox with you. You never know when you need it. Stay cool and be cool.